One of the most beautiful parts of Marina del Rey is the jetty and the wildlife near the Bayona wetlands. Filled, prior to the fireworks, the July 4th fireworks, filled with pelicans. Absolutely extraordinary and beautiful. But these poor animals had no idea what was coming on July 4th. Everything changed for them. Look what is missing today after the fireworks. Birds. No birds anywhere to be seen because of those fireworks. Where did they go? How badly were they traumatized? We must stop fireworks.